सैफ अली खान की माफी नहीं हुई है कबूल. The actor had made comments about his character in Adipurush being a new and more human interpretation of Ravan, which created a furore in a certain section of the Indian public. Though Saif offered an apology, it seems like his troubles are far from over. Saif Ali Khan is a unique actor because he is perhaps the only leading man in Bollywood who can play a hero or villain with equal ease. The actor is all set to play the character named Lankesh in the film Adipurush, which is a modern retelling of the Ramayana. Actor Prabhas will be playing the character of Ram, while Kriti Sanon is rumored to be playing Sita. Now, while cinema does offer room for some creative liberties, with texts like the Ramayana, there has always been an additional sensitivity. Take a look. A case has been registered in the Court of Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, with December 23rd being fixed as the date for the case to be heard. A civil court advocate has filed the case via another advocate and stated in his plea कि वो सनातन धर्म में बहुत विश्वास रखते हैं. उनका मानना है कि राम अच्छाई का प्रतीक है तो रावण बुराई का. Saif comments about the film Adipurush representing Ravan in a more humane light and possibly justifying his abduction of Sita has enraged a section of the audience who believes that Ravan was innately evil and committed many heinous crimes. There was even a call to boycott the film with the hashtag #BoycottAdipurush trending on social media platforms. The actor had shared a statement apologizing for his comments after facing a severe backlash and said that the epic will be presented without any distortions. He said, "I've been made aware that one of my statements during an interview has caused controversy and hurt people's sentiments. This was never my intention or meant that way. I would like to sincerely apologize to everybody and withdraw my statement. Lord Ram has always been the symbol of righteousness and heroism for me. Adipurush is about celebrating the victory of good over evil, and the entire team is working together to present the epic without any distortions." Saif has resumed work after being at home during the lockdown for several months. The actor recently returned from the hills of Dharamshala and Palampur, where he was filming for Bhoot Police. The actor will also be seen in films like Bunty Aur Bubbly 2, Adipurush, and a web series that he has completed filming. Here's hoping that a statement from an interview does not cause the actor any more trouble than it already has, and this matter is put to rest soon.